Can you use WhatsApp without phone number? Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Let's see if we can use WhatsApp without phone number or not. Simply click on Agree and Continue. You will find this kind of screen pop up. As you can see, there is no other option to add anything. To log in, you will need to add your phone number. If you click on three dots on top right corner of your screen, you will find all these options pop up. Click on Link as Companion Device, but even to click on Link as Companion Device, you will need to log in with your phone number before. So the answer is no, you cannot use WhatsApp without phone number. What you can do is simply open Google Chrome, search Google Voice. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Google Voice. And if you try to log into Google Voice, you might find numbers to simply use it on your WhatsApp. You will only need your Google account, but this might not be available in some countries. As you can see, it is not available in my country. We can also go to Play Store and then search free texting app. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you will find all these options. You may find some apps which will give you a number to simply use on your WhatsApp, like this app, which is Text Me Second phone number. And the answer is no, you cannot use WhatsApp without phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.